Hello, this is Opinion Radar. Today, I'm sharing a craft kit that has become a creative staple in our household, the Jack-in-the-Box Poke Art. As a mom constantly seeking activities that spark imagination away from screens, I was drawn to its promise of simple, tactile fun. For parents looking for a unique gift or a new way to keep little hands busy, this kit offers an intriguing twist on traditional crafting. My own kids were immediately intrigued by the concept, and I was curious to see if it would live up to the hype as both an entertainer and a subtle skill builder. In this review, I'll walk you through our genuine experiences with the kit, from setup and ease of use to the long-term value and any practical hiccups we encountered. Let's dive in and see if this poking art project could be the next great find for your family's creative time. As a mom always on the lookout for engaging, screen-free activities for my kids, the Jack-in-the-Box Poke Art Kit has been a delightful discovery. From the moment we opened the box, the cute designs and bright colors were an instant hit with my little ones. The kit is wonderfully simple to get started. Just pick a design, choose the corresponding colored fabric swatches, and poke them into place using the included tool. My 5-year-old was so proud of her first dinosaur creation, and it was a joy to see her concentrate so intently, developing her fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination without even realizing she was learning. It's a fantastic, mess-free craft that keeps them occupied for hours, which is a precious gift for any busy parent. What I truly appreciate about this kit is its versatility for different ages and scenarios. On a rainy afternoon, it's the perfect quiet time activity where my kids can work independently at the table. I've also found it to be a wonderful way to spend quality time together. My 7-year-old and I recently tackled one of the more intricate designs side by side, and it turned into a lovely, focused bonding session. The perforated boards are color-coded, making it incredibly easy for young children to follow along without frustration. The fact that it's so intuitive means they don't need constant supervision, freeing me up for a few minutes to get something else done while still hearing their happy chatter. The finished projects are genuinely adorable and something my kids are proud to display. The tactile nature of poking the soft fabric into the foam board is incredibly satisfying for little hands, and the end result looks surprisingly polished. I've noticed a marked improvement in my younger child's ability to handle small objects and follow sequences of tasks since we started using this kit. It's not just play, it's a covert educational tool that strengthens the very skills they need for writing and detailed artwork later on. The pride they feel in creating a real piece of art is fantastic for their confidence. Now, I won't pretend the kit is perfect without a few practical observations. While the foam board is sturdy for the most part, I have noticed that if my son gets a little too vigorous with his poking, the fabric squares can sometimes pop out if not pressed in firmly enough. It's a minor issue, but worth mentioning for parents of very energetic kids. Also, the kit typically comes with one poking tool, which can sometimes lead to a bit of negotiation between siblings. Having an extra one on hand, like a simple toothpick or the back of a pencil, helps solve this quickly and keeps the peace. A couple of other real-world tips from our experience. The fabric squares are quite small, so for the youngest crafters, around 4 or 5, having a tray or the box lid underneath to catch any stray pieces is a good idea. We've also found that the designs are most successful when the child pushes the fabric all the way through until it's flush. One of my reviews mentioned that placing a square can cover an adjacent hole, but we've learned to place them in a pattern, starting from the outer edges and working inwards, which really helps with that challenge. The kit is very creative and engaging, but it might require a bit of initial guidance for kids who are brand new to this type of crafting. In conclusion, the Jack-in-the-Box Poke Art Kit is a solid recommendation for families seeking a creative, educational, and enjoyable craft activity. Its strengths in promoting fine motor development, providing mess-free fun, and offering cute, kid-friendly designs are undeniable. While the foam board's durability can be a bit hit or miss and an extra poking tool would be ideal, These are minor trade-offs for the hours of engaged, happy play it provides. It's a gift that sparks creativity, builds skills, and creates lasting memories, making it a valuable addition to our toy and craft collection. So there you have it, my fellow parents. The Jack in the Box Poke Poke Art Kit is a winner for our crew. If you've enjoyed this peek into our creative fun, please give this video a poke, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more real life reviews from our crafty household.